Welcome to the TheraNest Telehealth Review Usage Experience. Links to the platform are included in the description below. TheraNest is a comprehensive practice management and telehealth solution tailored for mental health professionals, including therapists, counselors, psychologists, and social workers. Designed to streamline clinical operations, TheraNest combines telehealth capabilities with essential tools for scheduling, billing, and client management, making it a one-stop solution for running a mental health practice. The telehealth feature in TheraNest is secure, HIPAA-compliant, and fully integrated into the platform. It enables professionals to conduct virtual sessions through high-quality video and audio, providing clients with a seamless and private experience. Clients can join their sessions directly through the platform via a secure link without requiring additional downloads or complicated technical steps. This ease of use benefits both providers and clients, ensuring accessibility across desktop and mobile devices. TheraNest also offers powerful practice management features. Scheduling is efficient, with automated reminders to reduce no-shows, while the billing system supports insurance claims, invoicing, and online payments, simplifying financial workflows. Documentation is made easier with customizable note templates, treatment plans, and progress tracking tools. For group practices, TheraNest supports team collaboration, allowing multiple clinicians to access and manage their schedules and caseloads within a unified platform. The client portal enhances the experience further by enabling clients to request appointments, complete intake forms, and access session notes securely. This client-focused approach improves engagement and reduces administrative burdens for providers. Additionally, TheraNest integrates with popular tools like Google Calendar and offers reporting features to help professionals analyze practice performance and make informed decisions. TheraNest's pricing is tiered, making it accessible to solo practitioners and scalable for larger practices. It also offers free trials, allowing you to explore its features before committing. In summary, TheraNest is a robust and user-friendly platform that supports mental health professionals in delivering quality care while optimizing practice management. If you're looking for a reliable telehealth solution, TheraNest is worth exploring. Check the links in the description to learn more and get started today.